As more data is added, your DB instance may start to run out of space. If this happens, you can scale up the storage. Workloads are not interrupted while storage is being scaled up. After a scale-up, as long as the maximum scale-up supported has not been reached, the used storage should never be more than 85%. If an instance is unavailable because its storage is used up, you can scale up the storage. This video tutorial uses a centralized instance as an example to show how to manually scale up the storage of a GaussDB instance. The process is as follows. Step 1. Locate the instance. Step 2. Click Scale Storage Space. Step 3. Set the required space and submit the request. Step 4. Check the results. On the Instances page of the GaussDB console, click More in the Operation column of the target instance and choose Scale Storage Space. On the displayed page, specify the new space and click Next. Confirm the storage details. If everything is correct, click Submit. Return to the Instances page. During the scale-up, the status of the instance on the Instances page will change to Scaling Up. After the scale-up is complete, the instance status changes to Available. Click the instance name. On the Basic Information page, check that the new storage size is displayed.